Hi, I'm Kayla, and this is Bab Science with Kay. Today, we're going to do a fire jar experiment. Fire! First, I'm going to tell you the supplies you'll need. A jar, a candle, and a penny. A little bit of water. You can choose the color. A plate, and for safety, good goggles. They taste good. First, your mom or your dad or whoever you're with right now is going to light your fire. Then you are going to take a penny, put it right here, take the little bit of water, pour it on the penny. Okay. Then take your jar, put the jar over the fire. And watch. The jar is going to suck up the water and it's going to put the fire out. I hope. Yay! It did it! Ew. So the Bible lesson of it is that the candle is like God. Jesus, I mean. The fire is like his life. And the penny is like stands for all the people. And the water stands for the sin. And when the sin pours on people because we are sinful, but Jesus paid the price. But when I did this, it showed that Jesus paid the price. He took away all of our sins, where instead of we, well, first I need to tell you that before God died on the cross, we were going to die because of our sins. He took all of up that sin and he died on the cross instead of us. Everyone was his disciples, and a lot of people were sad, especially his mom Mary. And every time I watch something that has anything to do with that, I cry. But the good news is that 3 days later, he rose from the dead. Pause. Happy Easter! Now I'm going to share a Bible verse with you. 2 Corinthians 5:21. Christ didn't have any sin, but God made him become sin for us, so we can be made right with God because of what Christ has done for us. Thank you for watching Bible Science with Kay. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Your life, what you gonna do? The world is watching you every day. The choices you make say what you are and who heart beats for. It's an open door. It's your life. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Pause. Happy Easter! Bop, bop, ba-doo-doo, bop, bop, ba-doo-doo. Hi, I'm Kayla, and this is Battle Sounds with Kay. Today, we're gonna fire jar. But the good news is that three days later,
You did what I did.
My mom said letter, so I accidentally said letter. But 3 days later, he rose from the dead. And that was amazing. So,